Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today what we are learning is concatenate. Concatenate is a text formula which helps us to merge two text from two different columns. And we will look simple concatenate and advanced. So advanced is just a concatenate formula merged with the functional formulas. So wherein you can put functional formulas to change your result. So we will see how it works. I will simply show you one example of advanced formula, and then later you can put other functional formulas in concatenate and look how it works. So here, if you see, what we want is last name, then a comma and a first name. But what we have in the left, if you see, we have name, we have last names in a different columns. So what we'll do is we'll see how the concatenate will help us to merge these two. So we'll go to the formula, we'll go in the text as it is a text formula, we'll go to concatenate, we'll select the last name first. So here you can see the result, immediate result, and you here you can see the whole text how it will look after it get merged. So then we want a comma and space. So it here it will show you this is how it will look, and then I would need my first name. So this is how the output will look. Here it is. So we'll drag it till down. Same way we'll do for address. We'll go to formula. This is other way of going into the formula. So we'll go to the insert function. Here we already have a text. We'll select concatenate. Here it is. I want first address 1. Then I need a comma and space. So it looks much uh, proper. Here I will select address 2. I need comma and space again. Then I want my city. So this is how it will look. Here it is. I will drag it till down and here. So in an advanced formula, what happens? We'll see. Here we want the last name, but only the first letter of the last name, not the whole name, whole last name. So how it will work? We'll go in formula, insert, concatenate. Here. So what is the formula to get single letter? Is the left to get a left side. Here we selected the word, and we want only one digit, one word. So if you select two here, you get two letters. You see that you see over here right side. So I want only one. Here it is. Then here I need comma and space. Then I need first name. So this is how it looks. So if you see the address over here, it is not in a proper case. So we want it to be in a proper case. So what happens in proper case is the word first letter would be in uppercase and followed with the lowercase. So you see your RM is in a smaller case, then DHAM is in a smaller case. So we'll go here. We'll again go to formulas, insert function, concatenate. Here. So what I'll put is proper open bracket. Select this. Then again I will select it. Before selecting, I will again write a proper because I don't know if the number is if the data is huge. I don't know if that any of it is in a non-proper format. Then I will make it proper again. Comma space. I will before selecting tab, then proper again city. This is how I will get it in a proper format. So instead of proper, you can use different formulas like right, left, other date formulas. You can use VLOOKUP, lookup, all types of formulas you can use. Please try and please comment below the video if you have tried something new. Please do ask question if you have. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.